Hey everybody, this is Ionacus, and I'm still here at Morse comic book stash, and finally got into Power of the Prime's Grimlock. Grimlock here is leader of the Dinobots. He's got the Autobot symbol here. Looks good. The classic look of Grimlock. The gold chest, dark head, red visors, toes on the hands, detailing on the legs. He's not the leader of the Dinobots for no particular reason whatsoever. He's huge. He stands over all the other Dinobots. The only thing I don't like about this figure is the fact that there's no accessories. All he came with is this prime armor feet dinghies. We'll get to them in a little bit. So, Grimlock here has head articulation. He has his head go up and down, left and right. Yeah. Ratchet joint right there. A mushroom joint in the elbow. And there's the elbow is double jointed right there. Nothing in the hands. There's a waist articulation right there. Ratchets in the upper leg, mushroom joint, knees. Actually, yeah, probably underneath that. But another ratchet joint. Gotta love that. But not bad for this type of figure. Is definitely one of my favorite Grimlocks I've had so far. Again, no gun, no sword. One drawback of the Power of the Prime's Dinobots, they don't have their correct accessories. Or none at all, in Grimlock's case. Let's get him into T-Rex mode. I'm gonna fold in his hands and separate his chest. Bring them all the way down, covering his legs and putting them together. Do the same thing with his legs. Tab them in here and here. You fold in the tail, or fold out the tail. You extend this you fold these parts in over the legs, and you bring the T-Rex head up. And there's his T-Rex mode. He got his little T-Rex arms. They're posable, at least. They're on a ball joint. Head can go up and down, like so. Open his jaw. And only drawback for this is a huge tail end section. The tail shouldn't be that wide, but I've not seen Grimlock hasn't had the same problem. Oh well. He looks good in his T-Rex mode. And He's ready to go into combined mode. This is gonna be the first time I've ever put him into his combined mode, so let's get to it. I'm gonna start unhinging everything here. And you turn that all the way around. And you bring these pieces up. And you bring the head up. And then you close the chest again. And there's the pegs here that go into these two spots here.
He's selling roadkill. Is that what you just said?
Yeah.
And then you bring the T-Rex head forward and push it straight down. Bring the tail pieces back up and rotate them so they're facing the same direction as the head. Then you bring the arms up. So these pieces are facing forward. And there's a hole these pegs are supposed to click into. But they're slightly off angle. That one went through easily enough. And you take the arms and you spin them sideways and turn them all the way back. Now, the next side. It went right in. Perfect. It went right in. There's a joke in there somewhere. Hey guys, is there a joke in there somewhere? It went right in.
That's what she said?
That one too. It's okay to be immature. We play video games and collect toys and comics. We can be immature. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Anyway, getting back to giant robots. You bring his combined head out and pull this piece down here. And that piece there to secure it. And then you have the torso and upper legs of Volcanicus. Now, go one at a time and start combining these guys together. As I've said, I've never combined these guys before. So, this is my first time seeing them like this. Let me rip this swoop back out again. Yeah, there's a peg right in here that's supposed to be pegging right there. That.
So wait, she's the Antichrist? I want to check that out. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
There we go. now we're gonna put Swoop back in. And Slug here. I'll redo the legs. I gotta say, he does not look that bad in robot mode. They just seem a little bit taller than he should be. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do that to readjust the legs here. And there we go. Combiners are always learning experience. No matter which generation you're working with. Whether it's Gen 1, Combiner Wars, always a learning experience.
At the shop waiting to close up.
Sorry, I had to fix that. Now we'll do this correctly.
Well, Joe's taking me straight home after this guy. Close in 12 minutes, 13, 12 minutes, and then going to my house, so yeah. Usually takes about 15 minutes to get there. What? Just give me a call to know where you're at.
Now let's get a good look at this guy.
Alright.
And that's a beast. The joint's holding together very nicely. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a big weapon to hold on to. That's one thing I liked about like the Victorion and some of the later Combiner Wars sets. They had the really big weapon, but not every Combiner can be armed to the teeth. Volcanicus here does not need it. He's just lots of dino bits everywhere, but that's what makes him look ferocious. He's pretty good. I like the Grimlock dino head as a chest. Each of the bots hold together very well. You get all of them combined. It definitely should. I was behind the Dinobot combiner, but this looks very good. You can definitely get behind it now. Unfortunately, I just wish there's some way to incorporate Slash here into it. But I guess combined mode is a guys partying, no girls allowed. Whatever. But if you like this video, hit the thumbs up below. You can leave some comments. And this is it. Calling it a night. We're done here at Morse Comics Book Stash. And hopefully see you guys next time. And you definitely get a chance to get them here. Check it out. Alright, from the staff here and me, have a good night. And I'll see you next time.